Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3-layered video effect on CapCut PC. I'm just going to see if I can remove this blue background here. Just go to video and I'll go to cutout. I mean, kind of. Okay, I'll just use that first, and I'm going to select the 9x16 one. You don't have to do this. You can just like layer it however you want, but I'm just going to add this one underneath that video, and I'm going to place this one at the very bottom, and I'm going to place this video at the very top. Then I'm going to place another video in the middle. I'm going to add like a person, I think. Maybe this one. I'm gonna make her also super big. And I'm going to then copy and paste that. I'm going to select cutout. And I'm going to select auto cutout for that. And then I'm going to select this video and I'm just going to place it there, like underneath. Maybe I should use like a sky video instead actually here. Maybe like this one. But I'm going to place that underneath that cutout here. And I'm going to kind of blend it. Hold on, let me just select these two and move it. I'm going to move it up just a little bit. And I'm going to copy and paste that one, and I'm going to select the chroma key and delete that, but I'm going to place that underneath both of the videos like that, so you can't really see it. I'm also going to blend the sky a little bit, so go to mask and select horizontal. Place it here, and I'm just going to blend it out. Not too much though, like here. That's how you can create a 3-layered video. You can just place 3 like that, but I like to kind of like blend it in a little bit like this. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.